Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print from Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this, I'm using Notion web version on Google Chrome. So your Firefox and others will be similar. What we need to do is click on the three dots or similar to open up more options. Then from there, quickly go ahead and press print. We can use a keyboard shortcut, Control and P, to get to the same one. Actually, that didn't work. It said here Control and P to print. So I'm going to try that again. Let's see. No, it's not working. That's all right. So go ahead and just click on print here. Then it's going to take us to the print setup. Now we can use the destination. So choose your printer, choose your pages, choose how you want the layout to be, portrait or landscape. And we got more settings here. We've got the paper size. We can change that from legal to A5. We've also got pages per sheet, margin, scale, and go ahead and click on save. And that's going to start printing from Notion.